Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Karma Financial. Today, we're diving into the world of investing in 2023. We'll be discussing the top strategies and trends you need to know to make this year a profitable one. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Before we dive into specific strategies, let's take a quick look at the market landscape in 2023. We've seen some significant changes in the past few years with the rise of cryptocurrencies, the growth of ESG investing, and the continued impact of the global pandemic. It's essential to stay informed and adapt your investment strategies accordingly. One of the most important principles in investing is diversifications. In 2023, this is more crucial than ever. With so many different asset classes and investment opportunities available, it's essential to spread your investments across various sectors and regions. This will help you minimize risk and maximize returns. ESG investing, environmental social governance. Investing has been gaining traction in recent years, and 2023 is no exception. Investors are increasingly looking for companies that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. By incorporating ESG factors into your investment strategies, you can align your portfolio with values and potentially enjoy long-term growth. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies have been making headlines for years, and they're not going away anytime soon. In 2023, consider exploring this asset class and learning more about the potential benefits and risks associated with investing in crypto and blockchain-related companies. Emerging markets offer exciting growth opportunities for investors in 2023. As economies in countries like India, China, and Brazil continue to expand, there's potential for significant returns. Keep an eye on these markets and consider adding some exposure to your portfolio. Finally, remember that investing is a long-term game. While it's essential to stay informed of market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly, don't forget the power of compounding and long-term growth. Focus on building a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and stay patient through market fluctuations. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top strategies and trends for investing in 2023. Remember, the key to successful investing is staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and maintaining a long-term perspective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content in investing in personal finance. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a profitable 2023. If you want to learn more about investing in personal finance, check out these other videos on our channel. See you in the next one.